Hey, my name is Jamie, and we are in week 12 at Permino Tech and doing JUnit testing. So we created two classes. One was test demo, and the other was test demo JUnit testing. So basically, the test demo, the Java code defines the class test demo. The class provides methods for adding and multiplying positive integers, generating random integers, and squaring random integers with appropriate error handling for non-positive inputs. This method here takes two integer parameters and returns their sum if both are positive. If either parameter is non-positive, it throws an illegal argument exception with the message both parameters must be positive. This method generates and returns a random integer between 1 and 10. This method returns the square of a random integer between 1 and 10. And this method multiplies two integer parameters and returns the product if both are positive. If they are non-positive, it throws an illegal argument exception with the message both parameters must be positive. So we move on to test demo JUnit test class. And basically, this is a JUnit test class designed to verify the correctness of addition, multiplication, and squaring functionalities in the test demo class, which includes handling exceptions for invalid inputs. So this method here, go before, indicates that the setup method will be executed before each test method in the class. It initializes a new instance of test demo, basically wiping the slate clean every time. This test method uses the @parameterized test annotation to run multiple test cases with different inputs. The @method source annotation specifies that the test class will be provided by the argument for add positive method. This method tests the add positive function of test demo to ensure it correctly adds two positive numbers. If an expect exception is false, it checks if the result of the add positive AB equals the expected value. If the expect expression is true, it checks by calling add positive AB and throws an illegal argument exception. This static method returns a stream of arguments for the parameterized test. Each set of arguments includes two integers, an expected result, and a boolean indicating whether an exception is expected. This method checks to see if the add positive method correctly adds the specific pair of positive numbers. And this test method uses a mock spy Wakedo of the test demo instance to control the output of the getRandomInt method. It tests the random number squared method to ensure it squares the number returned by getRandomInt. And this test method checks if the multiply positive method correctly multiplies the specific pairs of positive numbers. So we're going to run the test and see if it passes. JUnit test, run as JUnit test. And our test did pass. So everything is copacetic. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.